Okay, sir. We are live. Good evening, all of you. I welcome all of you to this interesting evening session on this Saturday on behalf of Indian Medical College. Today we have my best friend, actually, he's friend indeed, on forensic medicine. He's professor in forensic medicine, Dr. Beemsetty Rajesh. He's from KMCT Medical College, Kerala. He will be delivering a talk on legal procedures today. Sir, can you introduce yourself? A few words about you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Beemsetty Rajesh, Professor of Forensic Medicine. Currently, I'm working in KMCT Medical College, Calicut, Kerala. Today, I'll be delivering a talk on legal procedures. Okay, sir.
And it would be interesting. You all enjoy the session. I hand over to you, sir. I will stop my sharing. You can share yourself.
Can you see, sir? Screen is...
Voice is good and screen is good, sir.
Okay, sir.
You can start.
Good evening, everybody. As I told, I am Dr. Beemsetty Rajesh, Professor of Forensic Medicine. Today, I'll be taking a talk on the legal procedures in forensic medicine. Actually, I'm very happy to be in this platform and be with you people. Okay, just I'll be sharing my whatever little knowledge I'm having. Okay, we'll continue with the legal procedures. What is for forensic medicine? I think you all know what is forensic medicine and why. What is the need for knowing the procedure, whatever happening in the court, and what are the sections, legal sections, which related to our medical profession. Okay, that is the reason why we are studying this legal procedure. Okay, in constitution, as they framed, they in that they have enacted different laws. There are IPC, CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, and Civil Penal Code. And IPC is Indian Penal Code. It was enacted in 1860, and CRPC it is 1973, and Indian Evidence Act is 1872. And what is Indian Penal Code? It is IPC is Indian Penal Code is substantive to criminal law, and it prescribes punishments, offences. It prescribes offences and punishments for the different type of offences. Okay, it prescribes offences and different types of punishments for them, and it was enacted in 1863. And what is CRPC? Everybody will be thinking that CRPC is Criminal Penal Code. It is not the Criminal Penal Code. It is the Criminal Procedural Code. By that name, whatever the name, that name suggests, name itself suggests that what is it suggesting? Whatever procedure followed for various types of crimes, it will be prescribing. It is the procedure of investigation, and it shows the trials of offences for various offences, trial of offences for various crimes, and it classifies courts and their duties. It is enacted in 1973. And Code of Civil Procedure. it deals with the cases between individuals or sites and cases not amounting to offences. That is why it is comes under civil code of civil procedure. And what is offense? Offense means it is anything causing harm to anyone. Okay, offense is an act or omission punishable by law is an offense. Any act or omission punishable by law. Okay, like what it's what is that meaning? If you are not doing something, or if you are doing something which is not legal, that is offense, and it is under comes under section 2 CRPC. This is also one procedure. That is why CRPC. And criminal law and civil law. What is criminal law? Criminal law is offenses against public interest. Like example, state is the person, and civil law is civil law means it is deals with the disputes between the parties or the individuals. Example, whoever initiates a trial or initiates a case in civil case, it is called plaintiff, and the opposite side party is called defendant. Remember, initiate the case or initiate the trial, initiate the case is plaintiff in civil cases, and opposite party is defendant. And exceptions, what are the exceptions? According to provisions of Article 361 of the Constitution of India, high dignitaries of the state. Who is high dignitaries of the state? That is the President of India and the governors of the states. And these people are not answerable to any court for the exercise and performance and duties of his office, or for any act done or purporting to be done by him in the exercise and performance of those powers. Okay, if at all, if it is proved that these people have done anything, once when they come out of that position, then they can initiate a case against them. And no criminal proceedings whatsoever shall be instituted in any court during the term of his office. That's what I told. During the term of his office, no proceedings will be initiated. No process for arrest or imprisonment shall be issued from any court during the terms of his office. And next is inquest. What is inquest? Inquest means inquisitus, that is to seek into. That what is inquest? Legal or judicial inquiry to ascertain the cause of death. It is just like it is legal or judicial inquiry to ascertain the cause of death. That means they'll be inquiring to know the cause of death which had occurred in circumstances. It won't be done in all the cases, which had occurred in the circumstances which were sudden, suspicious, and unnatural. Example, rape, murder, theft, accidents, and etc. I'll show you a picture. It will be clear cut. What are the cases where inquest is being done? It is being done in sudden death. I told you, in any unnatural, suspicious circumstances, if any person dies, this will be taking place. Sudden death, industrial diseases, drug or poisons, intake of any poisons or drugs, abortions, not all the abortions, criminal abortions and leading to death, and suicide, industrial accidents and death occurs, and domestic accidents and death occurring, road accidents, infant deaths, operational deaths, and allegations of any negligence leading to death of a patient. Next is homicide and death in custody. All these situations, inquest is being held. And who and all will be doing the inquest? Inquest is usually done by the police and the magistrate in India particularly. Not just for showing that I have kept the pictures, not that these people only will be doing. Okay, police and the magistrate. And types of inquest. What are the types of inquest? Police inquest, magistrate inquest, coroner's inquest, and medical examiner system. And in India, already I've shown the previous picture, that inquest is being held by police and magistrate only. And coroner system, it was abolished long back previously in 1999 itself. In Bombay, it was last abolished. And medical examiner system is also no more, we are not following. But among all these types of inquest, which is more superior? Remember carefully, medical examiner system is more superior. But in India, we are not following that medical examiner system and coroner's inquest. And police inquest. What happens immediately when any police come to know about any happening or some person in some particular place died, and immediately if someone complains to the police, immediately what is the procedure, what he'll be doing? He'll be informing immediately to the executive magistrate and proceed to the scene of crime. Okay, the person, whoever, which cadre that police will be, police should not be not below the head constable, and he'll be called whichever officer investigating that particular case is investigating officer and or inquest officer. And what happens? He informs the executive magistrates, then visit the scene of crime and assess the scene of crime. Immediately after going the scene of crime, he won't keep quiet. He'll look around and he assess the scene of crime. And what is what I have mentioned is panchas and panchnama. Who is called as panchas? Panchas means, panch means what? Panch, 5. And whatever report they make is called panchnama. Okay, why they called as panchas? That here usually the whoever person who is having some more superior or who is having hold in that particular area, those persons will be chosen and they will be included in this inquest report and is called as panchas. In village, if it is village means village officer. Okay, sarpanch, like that people will be included in the inquest. And the report made is called panchnama. And the report, what the report includes? The report includes the description of the wounds. While I told to assess the scene of crime, he'll be report include, he'll be checking the scene of crime and he'll include that by looking at the dead body. He'll be checking what that, he'll be giving the description of the wounds, whatever injuries inflicting on that body, description of the wounds, fractures and other marks of injury, he'll be noting down. Then he'll check the manner and nature of weapon used to inflict the injury. This is very important. And then after doing all this procedure, then signed by the investigating officer and the panchas, that important people, that society, all the people will be signing. And then if foul play is suspected while doing this inquest procedure, if foul play is suspected, what he'll do? He'll send the body for post-mortem examination with a requisition. Again, this investigating officer, inquest officer, he'll report to the executive magistrate, and then from again he'll order for post-mortem. And with a requisition, he'll come to the forensic expert for doing post-mortem. And if no foul play is there, that hand out the body to the relatives. And if at all, if any foul play is there, he'll be proceeding for the post-mortem. Okay. And here what section I mentioned, 179 IPC, investigating officer summons persons with information related to this case, whatever this, because related to whatever that person died, if he is having the power to summon any person. And if we are not obeying or if we are giving false information, punishable by 6 months imprisonment or fine. It can be 6 months imprisonment or fine or both. Next is magistrate inquest. It can be divisional magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, executive magistrate, collector, deputy collector, mandal revenue officer. All will be coming under this magistrate inquest. And there are some indications for doing all the cases this magistrate won't comes into scene. Done only in special circumstances like where death in prison or postal schools, death in police custody, death by police firing, dowry death. What is dowry death? I mentioned there, death of a woman within 7 years of marriage. Okay, it is comes under dowry death. What are the section involved related to dowry death? 304B. And exhumation. What is exhumation? Inhumation means burying the body, and exhumation means taking out the body. Buried body, taking out the buried body is exhumation. And death in psychiatric hospital, or death in psychiatric hospital or asylum. Okay, this is very important. Many times we'll ask, what are the indications for doing magistrate inquest? Then you people will be able to tell all this. And what does coroner mean? Usually this is not abolition in India. Just for your information sake, I'll be telling. A coroner or forensic examiner is an official chiefly responsible for investigating deaths, particularly some of those happening under unusual circumstances, and determining the cause. This is not being followed, and they have a degree in medical or legal field. Example, like criminology, biomedical sciences. Generally, coroners have a previous career as a lawyer. In foreign they'll be calling as barristers or solicitor. Okay. Already I told India such kind of post has been abolished since 1999. It was last held only in Mumbai. Before that, Kolkata. Okay, just I'll be going little fast because just for information. Okay. And already told that medical examiner is the superior among all the inquest. Here, medical examiner is always a doctor, while a coroner is not necessary that he must be a doctor. He can be a lawyer also. And just for a quick review, MCQs, I'll be putting what is forensic medicine. Just have a quick look at the options. What is forensic medicine? A, legal aspects of medicine. B, medical aspects of law. C, medical and legal aspects of medicine. All the above. Forensic medicine is what? Okay, I'll be telling what is forensic medicine. Application of medical knowledge to aid in administration of justice is forensic medicine. Now check out these MCQs and which one is fitting into. First one is legal aspects of medicine. B, medical aspects of law. What we are doing in forensic medicine, we are applying our medical knowledge to aid in administration of justice. Now, just check these options. Which one is fitting into? Just check the B, medical aspects of law is forensic medicine. Now, coming to the section, the option A. What is that? Legal aspects of medicine. Legal aspects of medicine is, if you broadly say, means legal aspects of practice of medicine. What is that? It is medical jurisprudence. Legal aspects of practice of medicine is medical jurisprudence, and medical aspects of law is forensic medicine. Just we can, it's just like it will be confusing, legal aspects of medicine and medical aspects of law. Okay, medical aspects of law is forensic and legal aspects of medicine is medical jurisprudence. Next question. Code that defines offenses and prescribes punishments is what? Is it the what I told? What is IPC? What is CRPC? IPC is the one which defines offenses and prescribes punishments, whereas Criminal Procedural Code is the procedure to be adopted for different types of cases or different types of trials or different types of crimes. Okay, that is Criminal Procedure Code. So the option is A, Next, the term inquest refers to burial of dead body. I told burial of dead body is inhumation, not inquest. Trial in court, that is not inquest. Investigation of all deaths. No, inquest, they are not doing investigation all the deaths. Only in unnatural circumstances and suspicious circumstances, they'll be doing legal inquiry. That is D, check D, legal inquiry into unnatural deaths. And which of the following systems exist in India? Already I have given coroner's inquest, medical examiner's system, trial by jury, magistrate inquest. Just have a quick look. Coroner's, it was abolished long back. Medical examiner system is not being followed. Trial by jury system is not in India. And the magistrate inquest. Police and magistrate inquest. If either of the option is there, you can choose. Next, magistrate inquest is mandatory in which of the following cases? Already told the indications for magistrate inquest. Just have a quick look at the options. A, custodial death. B, exhumation. D, dowry death. D, all of the above. See the options. A, custodial death, exhumation, dowry death. D, all of the above. So, in all these cases, magistrate inquest is mandatory. So, D is the option. Coroner's inquest is still in force in Kolkata, Bombay, Delhi, and the last option is no part of India. It is not being followed in India, so option is D. Police inquest is not applicable in one of the following situations. Many of you people will be easy. Just I'm giving some idea so that it will be clear. Police inquest is not applicable in one of the following situations. A, suicide. B, accidental deaths. C, homicide. D, dowry related deaths. Suicide, accidental deaths, and homicide. This is unnatural circumstances or suspicious circumstances people are dying. So, police inquest is applicable. But dowry related deaths, who should be doing inquest? Dowry related deaths, magistrate will be holding the inquest. Next is legal sentence or penal powers of the court. Now we'll be dealing with different types of courts which are present in India. And you all know which is the highest court, tribunal court in India. It is the Supreme Court and it is situated in the capital city of the country. Okay, now we'll be going from below to up. Okay, from below to up, from district level to state, and then finally going to the all over the country. Okay, first in district level, which is the lowest court, second class judicial magistrate. In district level, second class judicial magistrate is there. And above to the second class judicial magistrate, first class judicial magistrate, then above to first class judicial magistrate, chief judicial magistrate. If at all these courts are present in metropolitan cities, metropolitan area cities are there, Bombay, Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi, like these metropolitan cities, they'll be called as metropolitan magistrate. Just we have to replace the judicial to with metropolitan. Second class metropolitan magistrate, first class metropolitan magistrate, chief metropolitan magistrate. Okay, and above chief metropolitan or judicial magistrate, assistant sessions court. Okay, beyond that assistant sessions court, above to assistant sessions is Sessions Court. And these are the courts which are present within the district level. Okay. Sessions, assistant sessions, chief judicial magistrate or chief metropolitan magistrate, then second class judicial magistrate or second class metropolitan magistrate, and second class judicial magistrate and metropolitan magistrate. Okay. Next, what are the powers related to these magistrates? Okay, we'll be dealing. Okay. Just I'll tell you up to the whole country. Next, after Sessions Court, who is superior beyond Sessions Court, High Court is superior, and this is within the state, and within the country is Supreme Court, and which are called as apex courts. Apex means superior courts. Okay, apex courts for the country, it is Supreme Court. For the state, it is High Court, and for the district, it is the Sessions Court. Okay, these are the apex court to particular related to that area. And what are the powers and the type of punishments can be given by these courts? In already I told from below to up, second class judicial magistrate, power of imprisonment is 1 year. Just you can remember one mnemonic like 1, 3, 7, 10. Imprisonment power for second class judicial magistrate is 1 year, and first class judicial magistrate is 3 years, and chief judicial magistrate is 7 years, and assistant sessions court is 10 years. Okay, 1, 3, 7, 10. You can remember easily. And what is the amount? Fine. Just remember 5,000 and 10,000. Okay. For first class, second class judicial magistrate, he can impose a fine up to 5,000, and first class judicial magistrate up to 10,000. Beyond that, they can impose any amount of fine. There is no limit. Remember, second class judicial magistrate is 5 years, and first class judicial magistrate is second class judicial magistrate is 5,000, and second class judicial magistrate is 10,000 rupees fine. Okay, and what punishments are for are the fine the above courts beyond this? First class judicial magistrate, like chief judicial magistrate, assistant sessions, and remaining above all the other courts, they don't. It is unlimited fine. And what is the punishment? Punishment for assistant sessions, I told it is 10 years. Up to 10 years only they are having the power to give imprisonment. Beyond that, they don't have the power. So whatever I told, that beyond that assistant sessions, they are having that sessions court, high court, and Supreme Court, they are having the unlimited fine. They can impose unlimited fine and any type of punishments like death sentence or imprisonment. They can give punishments according to the law. Prevailing to the law, they can, based on the crime, they will be awarding punishments. Okay, just we will have a quick look. Supreme Court, highest judicial tribunal, and this law declared by it is binding on all the courts. Okay, lower courts and everyone should be following the orders by the Supreme Court. Jurisdiction is, it will be between the country with state or state, between the state and other state, or country with the state. And one more thing I want to tell you is appellate jurisdiction, appellate courts. Which are the appellate courts in our country? only Supreme Court and the High Court or the appellate courts. They won't directly deal with the cases. Whatever trial happened in the lower courts, for that they can appeal in the higher courts. Whatever happened in the lower courts for the punishment or the fine or the imprisonment, for that if any death sentence is awarded by the sessions court, they can go for appeal in the high court. If at all high court also it was confirmed, then they are eligible to go for the Supreme Court. Okay, and appellate jurisdiction is by the Supreme Court. Okay, next, protecting the fundamental rights. You might have seen many times that by looking at the things whatever happening in the country, the court will be observing. They'll be either getting information from the media or whatever may be source. They can initiate a case at any time directly. That we say as suo motu. Okay. Next, highest tribunal for the state is the High Court. And who will be appointing this High Court Chief Justice? The High Court Chief Justice appointed by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the President. And High Court is having power over all courts within the state. It may try any offense and pass any sentence authorized by law. Already told. Authorized by law, it can pass any sentence. High Court original jurisdiction. It passes rules for the lower courts. It appoints judges for the various types of courts within that state and allocate cases to the various courts. And it already told it is the appellate jurisdiction. Okay, within the state it is the highest. Next is Sessions Court. It is present in the district headquarters. It can pass any sentence including the death sentence. But the death sentence, whatever given by the Sessions Court, awarded by the court, it should be confirmed by the High Court. It is very important. Okay, and it only try cases committed to it by the magistrate. Already I mentioned, sentence authorized is death, imprisonment for life, imprisonment including solitary confinement, fine, and fifth one is detention is in reformatories. Okay, these are the various types of magistrate courts and special courts, including juvenile courts. Okay, and what is commutation? What is commutation? Already I told, once the death sentence is awarded in the Sessions Court, it should be confirmed with the High Court of that state. Then, even then, if that party is not happy, he can appeal in the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court is having the power either to confirm or reduce the punishment. That Supreme Court is having the power to reduce the death sentence or capital punishment to life imprisonment. It is called commutation. It included according to the section 54 IPC. 54 Indian Penal Code is related to commutation. Then even in Supreme Court, it is confirmed that death sentence is confirmed, that capital punishment is confirmed. Then what is the procedure? Then those people, they can appeal to the they can appeal. They can go to the President of India, President of that particular our country. Okay, and that the only person who is having the power to either to reduce the punishment or take out that capital punishment is president. It is called power of the amnesty. Amnesty is power is having with only president of India in our country. Okay. And next is cognizable offense. Now we will be dealing with the cognizable offense and non-cognizable offense, summons case and warrant case. What is cognizable offense? Already I told. Related to offense, what is offense we have discussed. Then cognizable is, it is included with under the section 2C CRPC. Remember, section 2 in bracket you should write C CRPC and 40 CRPC. According to this, the police can arrest a person without any warrant. Police can arrest a person without warrant. What are the kind of situations? Like rape, murder, dacoity, dowry death, ragging, rash and negligent act, etc. And police send the accused to the doctor for medical examination after arresting. For remembering this cognizable offense, you can remember mnemonic like 4 residents go for MD or MDRD or many things. Mnemonics are there. Many mnemonics are there. 4 residents, 4R. Like 4R includes rape, robbery, ragging, rash and negligent act leading to death. Okay. Next, go for G, grievous injury, grievous hurt. Then F for is not there, nothing is there. Then MD, M is for murder. Then D for dowry death. Okay, even dacoities also can be included. This is the mnemonic, remember. And what is the section involved is 2C CRPC. Then non-cognizable offense. Already told, cognizable means need a warrant for arresting that person. Here all other cases apart from cognizable offense, whatever other cases whichever not included in the cognizable offense will be dealt with the non-cognizable offense. In this, police do not have a right to arrest any person without warrant. You might have seen in many movies or somewhere everywhere that police comes to arrest a person. Immediately he'll be asking, are you having the warrant? Okay. This non-cognizable offense is included under the section 2L CRPC. 2 in bracket you write L and CRPC. Okay, these are all under procedures. That's why they are under the section 2 CRPC. Next, what is summons case and warrants case? Summons case is what? Summons cases means cases for which whatever crime they have done, and cases for which punishment is less than 2 years. Okay, cases for which punishment is less than 2 years is summons cases. And what is warrant cases? Here, cases for which punishment is greater than 2 years. Either it can be greater than 2 years, or the life imprisonment, or the death sentence. Okay, that is warrants case. Now, which are the sections involved in summons case and warrants case? Section 2W CRPC deals with summons case. Section 2X CRPC deals with warrant case. Remember, 2W you should write in that bracket. 2W CRPC and 2X CRPC. Okay. Next is summons or subpoena. What is summons or subpoena? Subpoena is under, sub means under and poena means penalty, under penalty. It deals under the with the included in the sections between 61 to 69 CRPC. What is this summon? It is a document compelling the attendance of witness in a court of law under penalty. What is this? It is a document compelling the attendance of witness in a court of law under penalty on a particular day, particular time, and particular place for the purpose of giving evidence. Okay. Again, in this summons, they have divided in this subpoena, they have divided into, there are two types. Subpoena ad testificandum and subpoena duces tectum. Subpoena ad testificandum and subpoena duces tectum. Okay, what is subpoena ad testificandum? Okay, in this, person should be, personally he should attend the court for giving evidence, whereas subpoena duces tectum, the person need not present. Just the document, whatever the court needs, if he submits, that is sufficient. And whereas subpoena ad testificandum, he personally should attend the court and testify. Okay, that is subpoena ad testificandum. And who will be serving the summons issued by the court in writing, in duplicate, and served on witness by police. Either the police will come personally and give the summons or by post. And what is the procedure? He should sign a receipt on the duplicate, and that duplicate should be given to that person, whoever brings, and original he should keep with him. And what happens if he fails to attend? Okay, in civil cases, whatever damages occur, that he should be paying. Okay, damages occurring, whatever happens, that will be paid by the person who, if he fails to attend in civil case and in criminal cases. Okay, in criminal cases, they'll be again. It depends upon the offense, or if he's continuously, if he's ignoring the summon and he's not attending, then bailable warrant or non-bailable warrant can be issued, or imprisonment directly. If that magistrate wants, he can give imprisonment also. And what is the priority for summons? Government setup. In government setup, higher official. In criminal court and civil courts, criminal court is having more priority than the civil. Likewise, higher court is more prior than the lower court. And first come, first served basis. If summons of two same level courts comes at same time, or summons comes, means from whichever court he received the summon first, he should attend that court. Okay. Sir. Okay. Next, what is conduct money? Conduct money is fee offered to witness in civil cases at the time of serving summons. Already told, summons when it is issued, it is his bounden duty to attend the court. And if he is not attending the court, that punishments in civil cases, damage to be paid, and criminal cases, bailable and non-bailable warrant. And related to conduct money, here it is the fees offered for the witness in civil cases at the time of serving the summons. That means to cover the expenses towards attending the court. That is conduct money. And one more important thing we should keep in mind is, it is not given in criminal cases. It is given only in civil cases. And if not satisfied, can ask the court to increase the amount. And in what happens in criminal cases? In criminal cases, conveyance charges and daily allowances are paid according to government rules. Okay. Hello.
Sir,
Sir, still, what is the time, sir? Should I continue or?
your wish, sir. If 45 minutes of maybe another 15 minutes you want, you can continue, or you can wrap it up, sir.
Yeah, if I start the next topic, it will take time. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, sir. So maybe the next part we will do later on. I think
Later on, sir. Okay, sir.
we have come to the end of the session. Friends, if you have any doubts, you can always put it in the WhatsApp chat box. We'll wait for another 2 minutes, sir. If
Yes,
you have any doubts, we will clarify them. So
yes, sir.
we'll just wait for a while, sir. Yes.
Definitely.
And meanwhile, please do share our YouTube channel to all of you friends. It's www.tinyurl.com/Indian Medical College 2020. Also like our Facebook page where regular schedule will be posted, MCQs will be posted, fb.com/Indian Medical College 2020. Stay tuned. We have one more good topic from surgery at 6:30 to 7:30. It's abdominal trauma by Dr. Ashwini Pujahari, retired professor from AFMC Pune. And Sunday we don't have classes, and Monday we have a fresh schedule. We have anatomy session at 3 to 4. Very interesting topic on infratemporal fossa. Then pharmacology, we have estrogens and anti-estrogens at 5 to 6 p.m. And 6:30 to 7:30, we have a psychiatry session. All the schedule will be posted in the Facebook page. Do check it on Sunday in our Facebook page. And we'll just see, sir. Any doubts, I will.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. One Asmita Saravanan has asked a question, sir. Sir, what is the significance of 7 years in dowry death definition? So why
Usually,
7 years?
yeah. Now, court thinks that within 7 years, if at all, if any problem is arising, it will be within 7 years. And that is the reason they kept that limit 7 years. Now, if within 7 years of marriage, if that woman dies of unnatural circumstances, definitely it will be included under section 304B, dowry death.
Okay, sir. Okay. So they feel that 7 years is a very crucial time. So
Yes,
before
sir.
that, any death, unless proved otherwise, it's dowry death.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine. That was a good question, Asmita. Thank you for the inputs. Keep tuning in and keep interacting with our experts. Sir, this video will be archived, sir. It will be there in YouTube always. So a lot of students will benefit from this. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
We will end this session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.